So we flipped this old dresser by removing the old knobs, filling the knob holes with wood filler, as well as other cracks and holes in the dresser. We sanded, we gave it a fresh coat of black paint, we added some new gold handles, and here's the finished product. A water heater, a water pump, 5-gallon tank of water, and a sink in an office suite walking to a building. What do? You figure out how to get water running. So here you can see that I am putting Teflon tape on the end of the water heater so that we can have a secure connection when we connect the water pump to the water heater. I'm adding more Teflon tape so that again we can have a very secure connection between the water pump and the water heater. We do not want to have any leaks in this place at all. So I accidentally let the silicone dry out in the tube right here. And here you can see I'm fighting for my life to get that dry silicone out because I need to get to the fresh silicone that we'll use for this next drain piece. I'm sorry, I am forgetting what it's called at the moment. But this is the thing that you put inside of the sinkhole, and you put some silicone there so when it connects to the sink basin, it creates this waterproof barrier so that when you are using your sink, water does not ruin your life. And yes, we have running water in this office suite. Love. So my favorite project, and I'd say that sarcastically, is hanging things. It is a struggle for me. I'm not quite sure why, but here we are in this beautiful montage, if this is even a montage, of me mounting the sconces that are for this space. Right now we're just drilling the holes so we can put the plates in there, and then we'll get to the end where we'll place the sconces on the wall. And as you can see here, some changes were made to the sconces, but the space is starting to come together, starting to look like a cohesive space. Never mind the plastic and all those things. You all know what it's like to move into a place. There's stuff everywhere. But anyways, yes, here we are in the middle of our transition. This is the final, beautiful reveal. If you're in the DMV area and you're looking for a new esthetician, be sure to scan the QR code to book with JC Aesthetics. I had a blast with this project and I'm so excited to share it with you all, so please be sure to subscribe for more DIY and woodworking content.